Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Build a Fortigate Lab video series. This is the third video in the series, and on the first one we registered on the Fortinet portal at support.fortinet.com. On the second video we downloaded the Fortigate virtual appliance from the Fortinet portal, and in this video we will install this virtual appliance in VMware. So I'm gonna switch to my desktop, and I'm gonna go over the process of how to install this virtual appliance in VMware Workstation. I am now back on my desktop, and I will open File Explorer to get to the file that we just downloaded on previous video. The only file that we need in this folder is Fortigate VM64. I'm gonna right click on that, and the option that we have to select here is Open with VMware Workstation. In this screen, Import Virtual Machine, we have to accept the terms and then click on Next. In this screen we have to give it a name, so I'm gonna name it Fortigate Lab. The path is good for me. You can click on Browse and select a different location, but this location is good enough for me, so I'm clicking Import. The virtual machine has been imported in VMware. As we can see on the screen, we have 2 GB of memory by default, 1 processor, the hard drive standard 30 GB. We're gonna change these settings. I am allocating 1 GB of memory. Processor, we have 1, that's good enough. I'm gonna leave everything default. The network adapter is gonna be on bridge mode, which will be on the same network as my computer. I'm gonna click OK, and I will power on this virtual machine. The virtual machine is now booting up. It will take just a few seconds to boot up. Now it's gonna reboot again. This will happen only the first time when you install the virtual machine. Okay, it's coming up again. Now I'm asked for the login ID. Login ID is admin, and the password is blank. There is no password. Just enter admin and then hit enter for the password. No password. The system is asking us now to enter a new password, so I'm gonna enter a new password, confirm password, and we are logged in now. Next step will be to assign an IP address to one of the ports on this FortiGate, so we can access it over the GUI. So the command to show the interface on port 1, for instance, is show system interface port 1. We can see the mode is DHCP. We want to change that, and we have to go to config, system, interface, edit port 1. In here we have to set an IP address. First, we have to set the mode to static to change it from DHCP to static. And then we have to assign an IP address with the command set IP address subnet mask. The IP address is set now. We also have to set what type of services are allowed on this interface on port 1. We're going to choose HTTP, ping, and SSH. Exit out from the port configuration mode. On a web browser, we're going to go to http:// IP address that we set 10.20.20.75. We're prompted with a login screen. Username is admin, password the one we just set. And log in. FortiGate setup, we're gonna skip that section. We're gonna do that later. And this is a screen that shows up when a new operating system is installed. I'm gonna say don't show this again. Okay. And now we're logged in into our brand new evaluation version of FortiGate. We can see we have an evaluation license, will expire on 21st of December.